Is Blender not opening on your computer? Whether nothing happens when you launch it, it crashes immediately, or it gets stuck on the loading screen, there are several solutions you can try. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Blender not opening in 2026. So yeah, let's get started. First, restart your computer. Temporary system glitches or background processes can sometimes prevent Blender from launching properly. After restarting, try opening Blender again before moving on to the next steps. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of Blender. If the installation files are damaged, uninstall Blender completely and download a fresh copy from the official Blender website before installing it again. Blender depends heavily on your graphics hardware, so outdated or incompatible graphics drivers can stop the application from opening. Installing the latest driver for your NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics card often resolves startup issues. If Blender still won't open, try resetting its user configuration. Rename or remove Blender's configuration folder so the application creates a fresh one the next time it launches. Corrupted preferences are a common cause of startup problems. Finally, make sure your antivirus or firewall isn't blocking Blender. Also confirm that your computer meets Blender's minimum system requirements, including supported graphics hardware and enough available memory to run the application. And that's how to fix Blender not opening in 2026. Hopefully, one of these solutions gets Blender running again so you can get back to creating your projects. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Blender guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.